Hey guys, hope you're all having a good day. We're having a whining day. And a watching movies day. All day, Casey and I have been like, let's go do something fun. Let's think of something fun. And what have we been doing?
Just been doing this Saudi all day.
All day.
We're also having a pretty chill day.
Okay. Layla's gonna be pouting for a second, hon. Braylee and I need to go and get her dress, her flower girl dress for Logan and Morgan's wedding that is this week. So it was altered, we did a few things, and hopefully Braylee will love it.
Love it.
Also, they started on my pantry. This is a start. Here. Oh, Layla. Hi. Casey's shop's almost done, which means that hopefully we'll be able to, where's the air conditioner? Right there, it's on, okay. Hopefully we'll be able to put our yard in soon. Where are you going? She's like, wait, where are you going? I'll be right back.
Say bye-bye.
We won't be very long.
Say bye-bye.
Okay, and then we'll think of something to do. We can go to the park. It's warm today. I love you. Knock, knock. Hi.
Hi, welcome to my house.
Dang
Kaylee
it.
kicked me out,
It's
so
blurry.
move in here.
Hold on, let's do that again. I'll be right back.
Hi.
Hi.
Where are you going?
I'm just doing that again.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Knock, knock.
Oh, hey. Welcome to my house.
I can see you now.
MTV Cribs here. Let me answer the door.
Okay.
Oh, hey, what's up? Come in.
Did you guys
It's a little early. So, Kaylee kicked me out of the house, so I had to move into here. This
I've never
is,
been in here before.
This is my front room. My bedroom.
Knock, knock.
Is that Gage's bedroom? The kitchen and dining room. We have quite the views. We're up here on the hill. There's Kevin's house. There's
Get up.
a shop. You can't
I
get
can't
in my
get
house.
up. I'm stuck.
Hi.
My ankle hurts so bad. Hey, is this really the front? Or can you get in on that side too?
No. that's
This
the
is
back.
always the front?
That's the back.
I see. Smells like cleaner.
We'll get some
Okay.
more paper towels and we can clean all these off.
No, Layla, you'll fall.
Just zip it up all the way.
Okay, here, let's zip it up. You'll fall out of there. We could seriously camp in here. No problem. I didn't realize how big it was. So this all folds down, and then Casey can put all the stuff on top. I don't know if you've ever seen it before, but are these bunk beds? Or are these just beds?
There's beds.
Oh, I thought that they were bunk
You
beds.
make chairs for the table with those frames,
Uh-huh.
so you can sit down and eat.
Okay.
And then these are beds that you can legitimately sleep 4 grown men on them, and then you can sleep. We've had 6
Okay, I'm
guys
just
in
so
here.
confused how you sleep 4 grown men.
Head, feet, head, feet. Look at.
Oh.
Sleep here.
I didn't know like that.
This is so much bigger than I thought.
No, they're super nice.
Nice. This is called the jumping jack.
Jumping jack trailers. If you guys are looking to get you an affordable trailer that you can legitimately
Camping.
camp in. I mean, the only thing it doesn't have obviously is a bathroom.
No one.
I know, that's the biggest downfall. You can get a portable porta potty.
No more
Or like-
outside.
I guess that's what a porta potty is, but
outside.
Go 100% organic now.
never
Go find
would I do
free
that.
then.
What?
No more outside.
There's a monster outside?
Yeah.
Yay! What is Dad listening to? Woo! We almost fell? How come you're so wild all the time? In case you were wondering, this is what the outside looks like. Cool. This is Casey's office. It's looking so good. And this is the wood that's going on all the walls. Good job, babe.
I didn't do anything. I just said, yeah, that looks cool.
I mean, it was your idea though. You picked it. Kind of. You can't really like, I guess you can hope for the best with stain, but
Yeah, but they started doing this and I was like, yep, I want that.
yeah, I like that. It's gonna look so good. And then under all of this is polished concrete.
Died.
Coolio. So awesome that you'll have your space. Casey's needed it for a long time. So excited. You gonna push your bike around for a while? Yeah? There we go. Thanks everyone for the heads up that that is a birdhouse, not a bird feeder. I honestly didn't even think about that. Shows what I know. And also, yeah, there's some bird poop on the hot tub now. Thanks for the heads up on that as well. We are actually moving the hot tub over here to this area. But still, I do need to figure something else out. But until then, still up there. It makes Winston happy. So, I don't know, I haven't seen any birds hanging around, but there is a little bird poop down here. It's so windy today. You see the birdhouse? Another quick thing that I wanted to talk about is the fact that I need a new camera, and I know that I do. Thank you for being patient because I know the quality's been kind of crummy. I'm just trying to decide what camera to get. I don't know. I've been using a Canon G7X and I'm just really used to it. So I've been looking at the newer model, and I've also been looking at a different Canon, and I've also been looking at a Sony, and I just don't know which one to get. So, hey Gager. Hi. So that's kind of where I'm at. But I do plan on getting one at the end of this month. No hitting. Give Gage a kiss. Hi. Oh, hi. There's a Winston.
Why you're not looking, Mom?
Why you're not? Oh, you can't hit soft either. No, you're so sweetheart.
So much.
Oh, my kids are mean. Something so strange is happening today. Right now we're going grocery shopping. That's how strange. That happens too much. The super strange thing is that everyone is leaving me.
I wouldn't. But
Casey is going to help a friend with a hunt, and they're taking their kids. So Casey is taking Braylee and Gage, which is normal. Like, they usually go on a hunt or two with Casey, but they're also taking Winston. Oh, what am I gonna do with myself with only one child? I don't even know what I'm gonna do with myself. I'm trying to decide if it's going to be easier or harder.
you guys want to hear the cool part?
Yeah.
So 2 years ago, I went on the same hunt to the same place, and the friend's daughter was there, and so now she's going to hunt, and I'm going to support her.
That's cute. How old is she?
Gage's age.
So she's like 10?
Yeah. It's her birthday Sunday, I think. So.
Oh, really? Once a week I have Kyler come over. She helps me with Layla if I'm filming or while I'm editing or just getting stuff done. So I have like 1 day a week to kind of focus on that and still be around Layla, because I just don't want her to go to daycare or anything yet because she's so little and I'm still nursing. So she'll be at the house tomorrow, and I was like, maybe I'll go see a movie by myself. Maybe I'll go do something just by myself. I just have really needed a break. Well, we're at the store. My ankle is hurting so bad. I think that I've mentioned it throughout the past couple of weeks, but my ankle is still hurting. I made an appointment with the doctor, but I can't get in until next week, and I like cannot walk, and it's just throbbing all the time. So they said to keep it compressed, elevated, and iced, and I have not been doing those things. So we're going to buy some ankle wrap. I also went to make a smoothie this morning, and we have no almond milk, and then Casey sent me with a list of things to get.
Almond milk is nasty.
Hold on, where did I put the keys? Did I give it to you?
Them in here.
Okay. Someone is super pumped about going grocery shopping. I should have left her at home with Dad, dang it. I've had a couple of people ask me why she's still in an infant carrier, and it's because she's still so small. She only like just barely broke 18 pounds, and so she can't be in a forward-facing car seat yet because that wouldn't be safe. But I am looking into other car seats that are still rear-facing, just maybe a little bit bigger, but she's still comfortable in here, so that's fine.
I mean, obviously.
Obviously she's liking it. Ready to go? Here we go. Here we go. Hang on, Lila. Well, you don't want me to help you. You have to have me help you. They don't even care. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later, alligators.
I'm really happy that no one has a problem with leaving their mom.
I do. These kids are forcing me to do this.
Hey, love you guys.
Love you.
Be so safe.
How your feet
Take care of each other.
Oh.
Who got the
Whose?
nacho cheese? Rayleigh? Get them away. Whoa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Rayleigh's feet stink. Winston, are you really leaving me? No one even cares. Okay, fine. I'm not gonna care either. Gator
My
cares.
little bird.
Okay, bye-bye.
Seriously, brother, your feet stink so bad.
Knuckles. Knuckles.
It's not like your feet don't speak.
Knuckles. Okay, bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye, alligator. Say bye to everyone. Casey was almost hunting in flip-flops.
I've done it before.
Bye. Love you. Now I'm gonna go clean. What do you want to do? What should we do? We can do anything we want tonight. What should we do?